Hello, friends. I am Ronnie. I am very happy to be here today. I want to tell you my story. It is about how I first spoke English. Maybe it helps you too. For a long time, I learned English only in school. I learned to read and write. I learned grammar rules. But I did not speak much. I was afraid to speak. Many people feel this fear. I felt it too. But I had a wish. I wanted to speak English. I wanted to talk to people. One day, I went to the market with my sister. We wanted to buy fruit. In the shop, there was a man from another country. He looked a little lost. He spoke to the shop owner, but the owner did not understand him. The man looked at me. He asked, "Excuse me, do you speak English?" My heart beat very fast. I was scared, but I wanted to try. I remembered one short sentence. I said, "Yes, a little." He smiled. His smile made me feel good. He asked, "Where is the nearest bus stop?" I knew the place. I wanted to help. I spoke slowly. I then said, "Go straight. Turn left. The bus stop is near the bank." The man said, "Thank you very much." I said, "You are welcome." He walked away. I felt so happy. It was a short talk, but it was my first real talk in English. I used English to help someone. I felt strong. I felt proud. This small moment changed many things for me. I decided, I will learn to speak more. This was my start. After this, I wanted to learn English every day. I started to watch short English videos. I listened to English songs. My sister and I spoke English together. We asked easy questions. Soon, I found an English class. My teacher told us, "You don't need to be perfect. Just speak. It is okay to make mistakes." I liked his words. In class, we talked a lot. We played games. We told small stories. Every day, I felt more brave. My teacher said, "Don't just learn grammar rules. Just speak. Speak slowly. Speak simply. Speak every day." I remembered his words. I spoke, even when I made mistakes. It was okay. My classmates became my friends. We practiced together. Learning was fun. It was not scary anymore. 1 month later, I went to a cafe. A woman from another country was near me. She spilled her coffee. I helped her. We talked for a few minutes. She said, "Your English is nice." I said, "Thank you. I am learning." She told me, "Good job. Keep going." That day, I felt very happy. I knew I still had many things to learn. But I also knew I could speak. I could understand. I could talk to people. I could connect. English was a great new door for me. Then, I got my first job at a cafe. I was a little nervous, but I went. The manager showed me how to work. "You will take orders," she said. "You will bring food. You will clean tables." I said, Okay. I met Tom, another worker. He said, "Ask if you need help." At first, it was hard. Many words were new. But I watched. I listened. I learned. A customer said, "Can I have a black coffee and a muffin?" I said, "Yes, of course." I brought the coffee and muffin. I said, "Here you are." She said, "Thank you." I felt good. I was speaking English for work. I was helping people. I heard new words again and again. I just listened and used them. This is how I learned. I learned to say, "Would you like sugar?" and "Enjoy your meal." These were small sentences, but very helpful. I spoke English all day at the cafe. I made mistakes, but no one laughed. They helped me. Every day, I learned more. My English became better. My teacher said, "This is a great way to learn. You use real English. You speak real English. This is the best way." She was right. I also learned to practice speaking at home. My teacher taught us self-talk. I talked to myself. This helped me. I also tried shadowing. I played a video. I listened. Then I copied the person. This helped my speaking and listening. I listened to English every day. Short stories, simple talks. I listened many times. First, just listen. Second, try to understand. Third, repeat. This helped my ears learn words. Now, I understand people more. I answer faster. I feel stronger. I don't worry about grammar rules. I just use English. Grammar becomes easy. So, remember, speak often. Listen a lot. Use English every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. English is a strong tool. It helps you connect. It helps you share ideas. It opens new chances. Your first sentence can change your life, just like it changed mine. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. What was your first English speaking moment? Share your story in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to White Eagle for more helpful English learning tips.